So, hello beautiful people, welcome to round number 2 of today's stream of me trying to improve in the programming. I split my improvement, hopefully, into sessions consisting of 5 minutes of typing exercise and 35 minutes of, well, learning, programming, and apparently doing code reviews too. So that's what we are doing right now with the GitHub Actions and Maven something. So I'm learning about Maven now. Yep. Let's get into it. Did I redeem everything? Yes. Okay, I'll start the timer. Come on. No, so many typos. Uh, 4:44. Okay, that's much better than the last time. 4:44. Let's see another lesson. Can we do it in 2 minutes? Maybe. Okay, let's go. Okay, 1 minute over, that's okay. 2%, that's pretty good. Okay, that concludes the typing session, and now we go back to the Maven. I was playing around with those. Okay, so if I do any of those, if I say package or verify, it will run all of those till here, which means that it is correct to have here the verify, and I was mistaken. So that's good. That's very good, because now I know, and I have found out the main thing which I wanted to know, but I feel like I'm reading a little bit more. Clean the build and deploy artifacts into shared repository. Let's deploy, yeah. Clean and package our build phases. One of the dependency copy dependencies to go on a plugin. If a build phase has no goals bound to it, that build phase will not execute. But if it has one or more goals bound to it, it will execute all those goals. Okay. Bind goals. Okay. So there's something which I don't think I need to know. And we'll go forward and have a look at the actions. The GitHub action, that is. Our is called what? Maven YAML. Jobs, build, okay, so here's jobs. This one is build. Test. Ubuntu with this, it's okay. Run seems to be a keyword. Yeah, that's like, I see. So steps, uses this, uses that, run, uses, okay, so my mistake. This is not the name of the configuration or whatever. This means that this should be executed in the command line. Terminal or whatever. Okay. Workflow syntax for GitHub Actions. Files in the GitHub workflows directory of your repository, okay. So that we have. Name of the GitHub event that triggers the workflow on. Okay, so we don't have an on in here at all. Oh, we do. This is a name, Java CI with Maven. For more information, for the fuck's sake, it's even here. Okay, on push, on pull request. Okay, so great. I would like to run it on all branches. What is this? Yes. I cannot comment on those. What the hell? I can comment only on those, huh? Why? Okay, issues. New issue. Consider discuss running tests on pushing in any branch. This is line number. It seems to me that the default configuration in Maven as running is not a good idea. Many times on my job I push at the end of the day and I can't compile code. Huh, interesting. Like because in my last work they were telling me that everything which I push should compile and pass tests. I didn't really argue, you know, and they just told me like, oh, it should be like so, and I didn't ask why. Guess I was too scared to ask. Well, does it matter if it fails on your branch? Because if it's like branch, not in main or master, whatever that is called right now, then and you are not blocking anyone, right? Yeah, and I think that would be like ideal to work alone. So, do you still think, even considering that so just commenting my experience. Yeah, what I'm trying to get is the reason, right? Because you're saying that it will not compile or whatever, right? So it will just bomb out and it fail the test or whatever, right? That shouldn't be a problem. I mean, let's say that, especially if you have like multiple programmers, you know, or I'm tired or whatever, you know, and I forgot to run the tests locally, then I push, you know, and okay, it looks okay, and then I try to create the pull request. Well, in my previous work, that did run also only on creating pull requests. Now I'm realizing. Only when you created a pull request, only then it was yeah, it was on a pull request. But then it's like comes to me like, let's say there's like many people there might be many people on a which could review that code, right? And they will get this notification. You are still not you still might not be done with it, right? You create a pull request and the first comment will be like, oh, it failed, you know, like on you know, like the tests are not passing or whatever, it crashes. Well, we can have the discussion on it. Only on creating PR2 main. I would like to discuss the pros and cons of that approach. Submit. Yeah. But thank you for the input, Trim Stars. This looks good actually. This thing. And test. Batch mode file. Okay. Then I will have a look once again about the batch mode. So already someone informed me in a chat, it might be even you, right? That it is because of the logs. So maybe it would be nice to see. Oh my god, unusable. Yes, you. Okay, so I want to compare it. Like how? Okay, it looks like this when I run it. When I run that. Okay, clean package, blah blah blah. What if I do the batch mode? Batch mode. On the first glance, it looks the same to me. Here's the clean package. That's not what I wanted. Here's clean, yeah. So okay, so let's read on it a little bit. Label and batch mode. That was it, right? Yes. Oh, let's have a look in here. Oh, so the batch mode and capital B is the same, I see. So he didn't really compare with branch main. Yeah, okay. So he used the long names instead of the short ones. It's good to know. Now oh, this is exactly the same thing which you posted. Oh, here it is. Will never stop to accept input from user. Instead, it will use sensible default values when it requires input. Okay, cool. So, two things. It shortens the lock. Secondly, it will not stop in there to ask for user input, which is not possible, right, in the CI. Okay. Okay. I'm kind of satisfied with the knowledge gain, and we can approve. Checks. Okay. Pull request. This thing. And add my review. I'll say, oh, multi-line suggestions. Got it. Nice job. I like it. What is this? Styling Markdown is supported. Okay. You don't have emotes here? Ah. What a shame. What a shame. How can you review? How can you do the code review without emotes? I don't understand. Don't understand. Start the review. Good job, I like it. And here is finish 0. Okay, so how can I say that I viewed here? Viewed. Okay. Now I do finish the review. And approve. And we'll submit. Good job. Submit. Okay, and now what? How can I merge it? Squash and merge. Not enabled for this. Okay, so rebase and merge. Is it okay? Base and merge. Approval, checks passed. Merge. And press. Confirm rebase and merge. Delete the yes. Okay, cool. So I merged that. Now, pull request, there should be just one. Label issues and pull requests for new contributors. Labeled with good first. Okay, I can label things. The issues. And here. And I can edit. Where do I put labels? Labels, not yet. Labels, documentation, enhancement, relevant, questions. Okay. I put in this one. Question. Okay. Okay, so we did even GitHub Actions. Okay, so we have that. There is this thing, and maybe I want to run again the failed thing, and how can I trigger to write again? Details, rerun jobs. Oh yeah, first I will merge the main in it, and then it will work, because I will have the different actions in it. Okay, so we go to the branch, which is this guy, storing ingredients, check out. Now, oh wait, we go to main, yes, I'll update it, update project, yes, okay, and I can check if it is there, yes it is. So now I will switch to the storing ingredients, check out. Now I will merge the main into current. Merged, okay, cool. And now we'll push those changes. Pushed. Okay, cool. And now we will have a look at pull requests, and it's cooking. Haven't completed yet, but it's running. Okay, cool. So this concludes the round number 2, which is done. Yeah, and we can proceed to round number 3.